That's a Hellcat Red Eye. That's a front end damage. 1, 2, 3. Ah, Zeus! Zeus, sit down. Zeus! Lot is full, lot is full. Dogs don't want to get out the car now. When he comes out, close the door, close the door. Wait, hold on for the other guy, Oh my God. YouTube, what's going on? We got another day in the life video. As a car dealer today, we have a lot going on. The lot is completely full, so we have a lot of cars we have to work on. So let's go ahead and get started on this. There she is. Oh, God, straight inside. It's cold outside, isn't it? Oh, God, I feel so bad for you. Zeus. Straight in, huh? That boy comfortable. Hi, Zeus. Okay, bro, with the licking. Okay, all right. Okay, food. You guys want to eat? Okay, let's go eat. Oh, my God, Zeus, calm down. Zeus. Doing too much, bro. Zeus. Siéntate. Out. Outside. Everyone out. Out. Zeus. Outside. Out. It's okay. Zeus! Hey, bro, Zeus, sit down. Zeus! I'll give y'all food, but Zeus, sit down, bro. Bro, what's going on with you, bro? Bro, this dude Zeus is going crazy. Okay, I have no idea what all that was about. I don't know what's going on with Zeus. He's low-key, way too much energy. I don't know what's going on. I seen Zeus was like this last night, but I thought it was just because, like, it's getting dark or something. I don't know. I've never seen Zeus act like that. Besides yesterday and now today. It's the same thing. He's just going crazy. If y'all know dogs, y'all let me know. Should I be worried? Should I be concerned? I don't even know. I don't know anything about dogs. Go ahead, wiping this off, feed the dogs, and start the day. The dog food here, and we'll give them some water, and hopefully they're good to go. I don't know if they're acting like this because of the cold weather. They're just going crazy. I don't know if that's what it is. I really don't know. But now we got that out the way. That's it, cars. So we have a bunch of cars. As y'all can see, the lot is completely full. So all these cars have to get worked on. We already took a bunch of cars yesterday to the body shops, but still not enough. We need probably more body shops. We need to just move quicker. That's what's holding us up right now. So we got this Camaro. We got a door for it. Chrysler 200. We just got to do inspection on that car. We got to do inspection on this one too. I'll just go through these cars quickly. Escape and the damage right there side. Volkswagen. This is Jeff's car. Chrysler 300. Front end damage. Some slight. Front bumper, headlight. Fenders inside the car will be good. Town & Country, rear end damage. Panamera, front end damage, and someone left the windows open. Hyundai Sonata, we got damage right here, mainly on the side. Quarter panel, bumper, and on the front too. Camry, rear end, Infiniti Q50, recovered theft. Q50 parts car down there. Q50, this one's ready. Well, it came back from the body shop. It's a front end damage, but then we just have to get the fender brackets. Missing the fender brackets, so we'll get those, and it'll be ready. Q50 Sport, waiting on seatbelts to come in. Kia Optima, front end, and a little bit on the side. Actually, mainly the side. Yeah, mainly the side. Bentley side, Q50 front end. This car is going back to the body shop because it kind of messed up on the paint, so we're gonna take it back to the body shop to redo it. Civic, this car is ready. Hyundai front end, y'all can see. Toyota side swipe right there. Camry front end damage, but already went to the body shop, so it's fixed. We gotta do inspection, wash and post. Infiniti Q50 bad engine, going back to the auction. Acura MDX front end, y'all can see. CRV already got it back from the body shop. We're waiting on a couple parts to come in, like that side stuff, so waiting on that. Honda, just have to pass inspection. Mazda, waiting for, well, we lost the key to his car. We basically found the key, and GMC Denali is ready. Nissan Altima ready. Ford Explorer ready. Cadillac ATS ready. Infiniti QX50 ready. That's it. Oh, back. Who you running up on, bro? All right, that's it for right now. The water completely froze on them. There you go, now I'm wet. Let's go inside, it's too cold. All right, so next order of business is we need to find out which cars we have to take to the body shop, which cars we have to get parts for, and so on and so forth. I don't think I'm hitting the auction today. Unfortunately, we just don't have enough time really. It's about to start in 45 minutes. I don't even check the cars they're going through today. That usually takes a couple hours to do all that. So now, I'm gonna go ahead, see what cars we need to do, what cars we need to take to the body shop, organize everything, we'll keep it pushing. All right, a quick update, we just got a part delivered. It's a headlight for a Volkswagen CC, and then we have outside. We needed both headlights, so this is one of them, and the other one should be coming another time. It was $240 for the headlight. Let me show y'all. $240 for the headlight. I just paid the guy, and he's actually right outside. So there you go. He's going. Just chopped it off. Expensive for a headlight, especially for a Volkswagen, but it's HID, so it's probably why it's expensive. So now we'll put this in the parts room, and we'll see what's next. All right, I'm sitting here working on the laptop, working on some things. I'm thinking, I think Zeus gotta go, yo. The way Zeus just acted, the way he acted last night, I think I was watching the video of what I just recorded earlier. It looked like he bit me. I feel like Zeus bit my leg. Zeus, sit down. Zeus! I don't know if that's a playful bite. I don't know if he's trying to eat me for dinner or breakfast or lunch. I don't know what's going on, but I feel like the dog's gotta go. Cause now imagine, it's okay, it's me, that's fine. But imagine if that was a customer, right? Imagine if that happened to a customer, then what, right? Well, if Zeus actually bites a customer, you know, Zeus is strong. Zeus can cause some damage. So if Zeus bites a customer or if Zeus, you know, whatever, if Zeus does anything, it'll probably be on me. They're gonna go after me, even though they're not my dog. So I just feel like the dogs have to go. If you guys are interested in these dogs, like I keep saying, I'll put my number up again. Message me. Let me know if you want the dogs, and you can just take all 3 of them. They're all friendly. Y'all see the videos. For the most part, all of them are friendly. They're all good. Zeus is trained. Dakota is trained. Only the little guy is not trained. He just pisses everywhere. Other than that, they're good dogs. If you guys want the dogs, just message me. Let me know. But I'm gonna go ahead and shoot a quick short video for the Porsche Panamera because these videos keep doing good. So I'm gonna record one for the Porsche. I'll show you guys how I do that, and we'll go from there. All right, let's get the Porsche key. There we go. Let's go ahead and shoot this video. All right, let's go. And it's brick outside. So yeah, here's the Porsche that we'll make the video on. We got the headlights on. So yeah, we'll make a video on this real quick. I'll probably park it out there. And Zeus, you look, he's scaring me, bruh. It was a menace. So we'll put the car out, make the video. Let's go ahead and open this up. What do you want, bruh? You know what I think it is, guys? I feel like Zeus might feel like I'm like betraying him every time I leave. I did let Zeus come to the house one time because it was just way too cold. I just let him come to the crib. All of them, actually. Dakota is a chill one. Open this up. Yeah, y'all just not gonna let me work, huh? Hey. Why are you biting at her, bruh? I don't know if that's a playful bite or they're supposed to be doing that. I'm gonna go ahead, get this Porsche out. I think it'll fit right through here. Put it over there, and we'll make the video. Let's go ahead and hop inside the Porsche. Hopefully we fit. Oh my God, let's put the key in here. It's a 2013 John. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Oh wow, that's dope. I didn't know I had that. All right, let's go ahead. Okay. Oh boy, we're cutting it close. I think we're good. All right, let's go ahead and make this video. All right, I just went ahead and recorded a bunch of content for this car. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a short form video and I'll go ahead and upload that and we'll keep it going. $5,600 is what I won this Porsche Panamera for. All right, a quick update. I'm over here recording and making the video for the Porsche Panamera, but the mechanics pulled up and so did Ian. Go ahead and say what's up to them. I gotta say people, man. Any hadith of the day?
Hadith of the day?
Anything? Any quote? Something?
Oh, let me think.
Yeah, we put him on the spot.
Oh, yeah, put him on the spot. Come back later.
We'll come back later. Hola, amigo.
Hello, my friend.
¿Qué pasa?
Good. Mucho trabajo.
Mucho trabajo. Mucho dinero.
Un $1. $1 the container $2.
Alright, so they're checking out Toyota. It turns to the left. Alright, y'all, so this clip, the audio got lost. But basically, the car, when you turn it to the right, it's fine. But then when you turn it to the left, for some reason, it's like very difficult. So the mechanic was checking that out, trying to figure it out. Yeah. Alright, me and Ian just prayed. We just got a delivery. The driver right there just dropping off a car. I think it's either a Mustang or a Challenger, I think. Let's go outside and check it out. It's in the enclosed trailer. I think it's a Challenger. That's inside. We're about to go see. We have this Challenger right here that we're gonna take back to a body shop because it didn't come out good. Did Felipe fix it?
I didn't see him touch it.
That's not there no more. I swear to God, there used to be paint runs right here.
Used to be what?
Paint runs. Like right here. I literally have pictures of it.
You might have fixed it.
He might have, oh my God, he might have came and fixed it. That boy's goated. Bro, what? That's crazy. It was on this side too. That boy fixed it. Oh my God. He came and fixed it. Shout out to Felipe, man.
Felipe to go.
Fish, no cap. All right, then we're gonna take, I guess, let's take a different car then. Let's put the Challenger back in. We'll take whatever else, something else. And we got this Camaro. This Camaro is nice, but it got hit right here. So we got hit. We got a new door, but I just realized that the door that we bought did not come with the window. There's a door, the window shattered. So we're gonna have to get a new window as well, but it is what it is. And we'll fix the quarter panel. And I already bought the gas cap, that's it. All right, let's go see the cars inside. I guess it's a Challenger, but could be a Mustang. We're about to find out. Nah, it's a Challenger. So there it is. It's a Hellcat Red Eye. It's like, nah, this is a GT, so nothing crazy. We're about to pull it out. And then closed trailer too. V6 GT. Engine sounds healthy. Transmission looks good. There's a front end damage. Maybe a new front bumper. Probably a fender. We'll see. Looks like the radiator is busted though. You see that? It's like bent. So we'll move that to here. 2 Challengers. Boom. There we go. The one's from IAA GT. Hi, how are you? Thank you so much.
Mine was no good, sorry.
That's okay.
I am inspection.
Oh, okay. No problem. There you go. You're about to take his pictures for inspection. And we'll be good to go. Look who showed up, man. Boy, Jeff in the cut just showed up. Buenos dias.
Yo, buenos dias, everybody.
We gotta say to the people, man.
Not much. I'm late today.
A little late today, man.
I'm late today.
It's all good, though.
Yes,
it's all good.
About to start working.
Yes, sir. About to clock in. Let's get busy. All right, y'all. I paid the driver. Driver is paid, so that's done. He's still here. Now, Jeff is going to wash the Toyota Camry that we have, the silver one. So he's gonna wash that. And then Ian is gonna go drive this Chrysler 200, drive it around to get ready for inspection. And then after those 2 things, we will go drive off some cars to the body shop. Right now, let's check out this car that we just got. He's in office. Yeah, I know the drill, man. Progressive casualty insurance. insurance. We buy insurance cars over here. We're not buying no dealer junk. Look inside. It's a GT, 103,000 miles. See what we got in here. Fender is cooked, so new fender for Shursky. We do have a sunroof. That's dope. Pop open the trunk. Let's see what we're working with. See if we have something in here. Looks like some plastic trims. Grill. It's cooked. Yeah, nothing crazy. So we're gonna need a fender. We're gonna need obviously a front bumper, headlights, passenger side headlight. Let's go ahead and open this up. Front bumper, fender, passenger side headlight, radiator, condenser. Maybe both, maybe not. I'll order both. Just get them swapped out just in case. Both grills, upper and lower grill. Yeah, hold on, bro. About to drive off with the hood open? There you go. It's thumbnail. Zeus and the dog. Zeus and the dog. Zeus in the car. We're missing both fog lights. The fog lights, upper lower grille, radiator condenser, front bumper, and then passenger headlights. And Iron's about to swerve. So let's go ahead and order all these parts and we'll move from there. All right, we're going to the parts store right now, see if they have these parts that we need and see if they have them at a good price. Meanwhile, I'm gonna be on eBay to look up the parts and see how much on eBay it's for. Whichever's cheaper, we'll just go with that route. Go ahead and get started. 2017 Dodge Challenger GT. I need the front bumper, also the passenger side fender.
Question, for the fog lights, is it going to be round or square?
Round.
So bumpers at the store for 128 and fender 79, also at the store.
Okay, I'll take both.
Alright, and would that be it?
That's it for right now, yeah.
Thank you, brother. Have a good one.
Thank you, you too. Bye. I see, I heard him. He said 128 for the bumper and then like 70 something for the fender. Let me show you how much they're on eBay for. So eBay got the fender for 170 and the bumper was like 250. So way cheaper at this store that we just ordered from. So we're good. But now I do still need to get the passenger side headlight, the fog lights, and the upper and lower grille, and also the radiator and possibly the condenser. So I'll go ahead and get those right now and find the cheapest ones. So here's the total for everything, 351. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got real quick. So it's the upper grille reinforcement. I forgot the challenge. There's a lot of parts that go to it. There's the upper grille reinforcement, the lower grille, the upper grille, and the lower grille reinforcement headlight. And then I also have to get the radiator and condenser. I'm gonna check on those right now, see how much they are on eBay. But if they're cheaper on a different website called Rock Auto, then I'll get them from there. So let's check real quick. So here's the prices on Rock Auto for the radiator. Cheapest one, 63 bucks. Then if we go to eBay, we got it for eBay. We got the radiator for 55, condenser for 60. So we'll just go ahead and get them on eBay. So it's easy. Total right there for 67 for everything. Let's go ahead and order all this and we'll keep it pushing. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and move this car to the back because it's just a bad look to have a car looking like this in the front. So I'll move this car to the back and we'll see from there. Bismillah. Engine sounds healthy. Go ahead, put it in reverse. All right, here we go. This car in the back. Car does sound healthy, engine sounds good, transmission seems like it shifted fine. Almost a full tank of gas, so that's dope. Push that in. All right, there we go. Now just wait on the parts to come in, and once they come in, we'll go ahead and take it to the body shop. All right, the boy Jeff came back from the car wash, looking clean, looking clean. Then we noticed this light is flashing. Y'all can see the light is flashing, but I have the mechanic check it out real quick and see. Yeah, this car is super clean. Jeff did a really good job on this one. Let's see, boom. It's a nice car. It's a Toyota too, I mean, can't go wrong with the Toyota. So yeah, what's it looking like? I'm gonna have the mechanic check it out real quick and we'll go from there.
See? Same might be the headlight.
For real?
That's effective. Say it's connected well.
This is missing a turn signal, I think. Yeah.
Ahorita vamos a revisarla bien, la vamos a sacar para revisarla.
He's gonna take the headlight out. He's gonna check if it's the bulb or if it's the whole headlight.
Okay, let me take the pictures first.
Déjale que vaya a tomar igual ahorita unas fotos del carro primero. Eso ya lo hacen.
Alright, since the car's clean, I'm gonna take the pictures now and let the mechanic do his thing, try to fix it. If not, we'll get a new headlight and we'll just keep it pushing from there. So let's go. And Iron's about to take that blue car, Ford Escape. He's gonna go do inspection. Alright, we just pull up to the spot we take pictures at. I'll show you guys how they come out. Alright, we took the pictures. Now we're heading back to the shop. I noticed that it's making a noise whenever I turn the car. So whenever I turn the car like all the way to the right or to the left, right, like it makes a noise that's not normal. So I'm having the mechanics check it out, see what it is. All right, y'all, our next order of business is to reorganize this lot because it's looking crazy right now. Like there's just too many cars all over the place and it's not organized. So we need to organize this lot real quick. Before I do that, I need to go ahead and actually buy the headlight for this Chrysler. I just remembered, headlight was cracked on this car. Let me show you guys real quick. Alright, so we have the fender. We're gonna reuse this fender, fixable. This headlight is cracked, as y'all can see. Cracked in the back. Yeah, so we just need a driver's side headlight. So go ahead and order that and we'll go from there. Alright, so I found the headlight, but unfortunately, these headlights are expensive because they're HID and with AFS. So the headlights are expensive. The best one I could find was $400. Couldn't find anywhere else. The junkyards didn't really have them. And all these other ones you see, these are all halogen. And this one is HID, so it's the expensive one. So it is what it is. We'll just have to get it, $400. Go ahead and get it, and then we'll go from there. All right, real quick, I forgot to buy all these other parts. So I bought the front bumper already, and I already got the headlight. I also need the upper grille, the emblem, the lower grille, fog lights, fog light bezels, and this lower grille trim. So I have to get all this. There's another $345 for this car. It's adding up more than I thought for this car, but it is what it is. It's a nice car. Try to sell it for the high to get our money back, but so we're just going to go ahead and get this and keep it pushing. All right, y'all, ordered all those parts. Let's go ahead and organize the lot now. That goes eating. So move this one up. This has to go up. Throw all that trash out. Can I see key bags? You out? All right, Sam. Lot is full. Lot is full. Porsche Panamera at the overflow lot outside. Got Zeus chilling. Man, we need Zeus to get home, y'all. He's a good dog. We need to give him a home. Just gonna move this one up. Right there should be good. This car is fixed. It's ready to go. So it's all trash. I have to clean this up. But now, okay, so all these cars are ready, basically. All these cars are ready for sale. Go ahead and flip this Nissan around. All right, there you go. This turn signal has to get fixed. So we need to do that. Okay, turn this off. Let's go. Grab the key bags. Now, the cars we need to work on, we need to start putting them out forward. Moving the Porsche. Go ahead, put this Ford Escape back. Actually, I might put this car outside. All right. Yeah, might as well wrap it up here. It's too cold to keep working, but it is what it is. We'll come back tomorrow, fix all this up, get everything ready, and then we'll go from there. All right, we thought the video was over, but dogs don't want to get out the car now because I guess it's too cold. Yeah, we need to get these dogs at home, y'all. Zeus, come on. There you go. No, out. Oh, my. He went right back in. Hold on.
He's on top of the little one.
Zeus, come on. Zeus. No, don't do it. Zeus. All right, come on. When he comes out, close the door. Wait, hold on for the other guy. Oh, my God. Zeus. All right. Close him. Yeah, these dogs need a home, bro. It's too cold.
Hey, you watching video? Find these dogs a new home.
No cap. It's way too cold. Oh, man, I feel bad. Make sure all the doors are closed. Otherwise, they're going to jump in. Oh, Ian, boy. Ian. Your door, buddy. Now I think it's a wrap for the video. Yeah, we gotta get these guys at home, man. It's too cold.